Hello. In this video, we will see how to use Export Flow software step by step. If you manage an export business, then this complete video will be very useful for you. Let's start with the dashboard. This is the Export Flow dashboard, where you can see all the important information of your business in one place, making it easy to track your business. Here you can also see country-wise live clocks, along with total invoices, outstanding amount, monthly revenue, and active parties, which you can easily track. There is a quick actions option here, which allows you to directly create a new invoice and save time. Along with that, you can view the ledger, manage currency, and track shipments. You can also use the export calculator, view reports, manage documents, and manage customers. You can also see your sales graphs and the graphical representation of monthly invoices based on currency ratio. Now let's move to the GST billing section. In this section, you can create GST bills for customers, which makes your billing process simple and organized. You can select an existing customer or add a new customer. After selecting the customer, add items, enter their rates, and create the invoice. Next, let's look at the Pro Forma Invoice section. Here you can view all Pro Forma invoices, and by clicking on the New Pro Forma Invoice button, you can create a new Pro Forma invoice. Now let's move to the Purchase Order section. Here you can see all your orders, and by clicking on the New Purchase Order button, you can create a new purchase order. Next is the Customer Master section. Here you can see the list of all customers, and by clicking on the Add New Customer button, you can add a new customer. Now let's move to the Customer Payment section. In this section, you can see all customer payments, and you can apply filters to analyze the data. Next is the Payroll section. Here you can see employee data, and by clicking on the Add Employee button, you can add a new employee. While adding an employee, you need to enter details such as name, email, mobile number, designation, department, joining date, and salary. After entering additional information and clicking on the Create Employee button, the employee is created and appears in the list. In the Payslips section, you can view employee payslips, and in the Report section, you can access salary, department, and deductions reports. Now let's move to the Ledger section. Here you can see all business transactions, which helps keep your accounts clear. Next is the Currency Exchange feature. From here, you can check and convert any currency, making international transactions easier. Now let's look at the Export Calculator. In the Export Calculator, you can calculate FOB, CNF, and CIF prices, which helps in accurate costing. Next is the Document section. Here you can manage your business documents. You can upload bills, commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates, export declarations, scanned documents, and custom documents, which keeps your documents safe and organized. Uploaded documents appear in the list, and you can view them by clicking on the View button. Now let's move to the Custom Compliance section. In this section, you can add custom compliance for your business. Next is the Shipment Tracking section. Here you can see active and completed shipments, which makes it easy to track deliveries. Next is the Freight Rate section. Here you can add freight rates for your business. Next is the Analytics section. Here you can see business insights and performance metrics in graphical format, which helps in better decision making. Now let's move to the Report section. In this section, you can view sales reports, GST summary, outstanding reports, collection reports, invoice details, currency reports, cart analysis, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Finally, let's look at the Settings section. In Export Flow settings, you can manage all software settings. In Company Profile, you can edit company details, add bank details, and change the branding theme. In Invoice settings, you can upload your logo and edit invoice prefix or starting number. You can customize Pro Forma templates, GST invoice templates, and PO templates. In Letterhead settings, you can manage letterhead and add or manage charge descriptions. In dashboard settings, you can control which information is visible on your dashboard. In user management, you can add new users, and in security, you can manage or change passwords. In data management, you can manage your data and use the backup and restore feature to keep your data safe. This was a complete walkthrough of Export Flow software. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments.